Hello guys, hope you're alright. What I've got for you today is a little unboxing and a review of the Christian Louboutin lowest low cuffs. These are the black suedes, and as you can see from this order, everything you see is literally what you'll get when you ordered these pair of lubes. So it is a brand new fresh pair which you'll get. And yes, it is for the price of $195, and yes, as well, it is free shipping. Visit the website above, a1luxfashion.com, for you to be able to order these, and also for you to check out what other footwear and sneakers we have available for you. So as you can see, everything is intact. Comes with additional shoelaces in the Christian Louboutin shoelace like sock bag. Moving on to the trainers as well. I'll try and make this a very quick video for you guys. As you can see from the trainers, just gonna open it up here for you, and I mean, they're, as I've said, it's a brand new pair, so it will be coming like these, just how you'd expect them to be. And as well, these are a one-to-one quality, so they look just like the identical authentic pairs, so there's no similarities, no differences whatsoever. What you see here in this video is just what you'll be getting as well. Clear with the red bottom soles. They're literally a must-have pair, and if you don't have these exact pairs, then you are missing out. So head down over to a1luxfashion.com, and you'll be able to get your hands on this brand new beautiful pair of black suede Christian Louboutin lows with the spikes. Beautiful pair, literally a classic and literally a must-have. Any questions, feel free to comment, and hope you do enjoy the new pair.